looking to elevate your academic journey with a powerful yet affordable PC?
Look no further. Introducing our budget-friendly PCs featuring the high-performance AMD Ryzen 3 and Intel Core i3 processors. Boost your productivity with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, perfect for smooth web browsing and multitasking. Embrace faster boot times and seamless performance with the 256GB SSD. Need more space? Simply add an external hard drive for extra storage. Experience web browsing, document editing, and multimedia with ease thanks to the integrated graphics on the CPU. Trust in a compatible motherboard with essential features and a reliable 450W power supply for steady and efficient operation. Choose a practical PC case that matches your style and preferences without compromising on affordability. Customize your setup with Windows 10 or a Linux distribution like Ubuntu, tailored to your software requirements. Our budget-friendly PCs are curated for your academic needs, ideal for online classes, research, word processing, and more. Be a smart shopper, compare prices, see special deals, and buy from trusted sources for peace of mind. Don't forget to complete your setup with peripherals like a keyboard, mouse, and monitor for a wholesome experience. Ensure optimal performance by checking component compatibility and maintaining proper ventilation and cooling. Level up your academic journey today with our budget-friendly PCs. Upgrade your experience without breaking the bank. Visit our website gautaminfosolution.online now to explore the perfect budget-friendly PC for your academic needs. Upgrade today and embrace the power of a pocket-friendly PC. Gautam Info Solution, making your academic journey smarter and more affordable.